In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to soften edges of photo in Canva. Softening edges is a simple way to make photos feel more polished, blend them into backgrounds, or reduce the harshness of sharp lines. I'll walk you through 3 approaches you can use depending on the look you want. First, let's create a smooth fade using Image Blender. Start by selecting your photo on the canvas so Canva knows which image you want to edit. Then head to the side panel and open Apps. In the search bar, type Image Blender and open it. You'll see 2 main options. Linear creates a fade that blends from one side inward, great for sliding an image into a layout. Radial softens all edges in a circular shape, perfect for drawing attention to the center while gently fading the perimeter. Choose the one that matches your design. Next, adjust the strength to control how gradual the fade feels, and move the on-screen lines to position where the fade starts and ends. Subtle adjustments usually look more natural. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply the effect to your photo. If you just want to soften sharp 90-degree corners into smooth curves, rounded corners are the quickest option. Click your photo to select it. In the top toolbar, choose the border style icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. You'll see a corner rounding slider. Drag it to the right to increase the softness of the corners. This creates a friendlier, more modern look without changing the rest of the image. It's especially helpful for thumbnails, product shots, or any layout where harsh corners feel distracting. Finally, if you removed a background and the cut-out edges look too crisp, a glow can blend them more naturally. Select the image and click Edit Image. Go to Effects, then choose Shadows, and select Glow. Change the shadow color to match your background so it doesn't read as a shadow but as a soft halo. Increase the blur and size to gently wrap the edges, and lower the transparency until it sits comfortably in your design. This helps the subject feel like it belongs on the page rather than floating above it. Take your time with small tweaks. The goal is for the effect to be noticeable only because everything looks cohesive. That's it. Thanks for watching.